What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Got some big updates today. A lot of things have happened over the past few days, but guess what? The RC components I ordered about 6 weeks ago are here. Gosh, they look great on the car. These are the Torque series here. 15s front and back. Run those Mickey Thompson Pros in the back. Some Hoosier bi-splies up front. Got those 12-point billet socket or billet lug nuts as well too. Actually, RC makes those as well. But guys, really excited. Car actually cranked a few minutes ago. I tried it out just to see if it would crank with that Rick Crawford module, which I've got installed inside. But you guys see this thing looks like a car now. Hopefully in the next few days we'll actually start it. Did crank it over, press the push button to start, and boom, cranked right up. So shouldn't have any issues getting it to start. Got all the gauges wired and everything in the car. Switch panels wired. Need to put the rear view mirror up there. If we probably ain't gonna need that. We'll know they're far enough back there already. But car's all wired up. Need to put the high ram on. Gosh, guys, those wheels look so good. I don't know if the video is gonna do it justice or not. But we should be dropping this thing down and driving it really soon here. I did get the aluminum block for the trans mount. Been waiting on a couple things for the coolant system, a couple bypass block offs, and a little bit of hose and stuff. Should be here tomorrow. And then really hard to find fastener was the pitch thread that the trans mount was, so I had to order that. That's gonna be here tomorrow as well too. So really tired from all the hours I put in the car and working full-time job. And Drew was here till about 2 o'clock last night, and it's about midnight now. Gosh, been kicking ass, getting a lot of work done. This thing's ready to go. I mean, we're gonna be racing really soon here. All right, well, let me go ahead and kick the battery on. I'll kind of show you all the gauges that I put in as well. Turned out really nice. Nice if I can see. There we go. Ah, she came back to life. I'm gonna go over to the driver's side real quick. I left the map lights on. Let's take the snappy light down real quick. Got the seat out while I did all the wiring and everything. And check those gauges out there. Trans temp. Well, a lot of people are right. Well, you already got a trans gauge. Well, when you go to a turbo 400, it's not going to tell you the temperature anymore. Also, when you put a fuel cell in the back, it's not going to tell you how much fuel's in the car. Got the wideband wired up as well too. Got the switch panel for the trans brake and line lock as well. And I'm going to manually shift it. I'm not going to have no air shift or anything like that. You know, I like the manual life. Did put some map lights in there. You can go ahead and pop that rearview mirror on. I'm going to throw the leather seats in here because I'm going to drive it a couple 100 miles before I hit the track. But as soon as I hit the track, should have some good results. Might take a session or two to dial it in. But after that, we expect to run a good number. In the heat. Then should be dialed in ready for fall. Head up to Fall Brawl up there with Brandon Hill. If you guys ain't reserved your spot out there, I'd recommend you do that. That's gonna be some really good racing. Hell, if you just want to make the trip, fly on in. But I think a lot of the big dogs are gonna be there. We're gonna square off, see what's up. But yeah, this thing's pretty simple. Them stock casting heads there. Just light. Y'all say I raced a tin can, whatever you want to say. Winning's winning. Glad I could give you guys an update. Hope you guys enjoying the videos. We're gonna do a lot of work tomorrow night, so I may set up a time-lapse video. Drew's gonna come over, and we're probably gonna knock most of it out so we can probably start it on Saturday. If not, it'd be like Monday or Tuesday night. I got some stuff to do Sunday, so I ain't gonna have the drive shafts laying underneath there ready to go. Did already test fit it. It fits fine. Shouldn't have any hurdles to get over. Everything should just work properly. I've said that before though. Guys, thanks for watching. Gonna be back with a lot more content. I'm absolutely wore the hell out. Working a 55-hour-a-week job building this damn car. Last couple weeks been pretty damn tiring, but it's gonna be well worth it. Especially when we hit the track, hit the street. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Gonna be a lot of good content, a lot of racing, a lot of good stuff going on. Peace.